Let's proceed the cathode rays with the help of some results and characteristics properties as cathode ray consists of negatively charged electron. First important point कि cathode rays are negatively charged rays which are similar to electron. Themselves not visible but can be observed with the help of fluorescent or fluorescent materials. These are not visible, but their presence can be seen when we coated the perforated anode with some fluorescent or phosphorescent materials. What mean by fluorescent and phosphorescent? That give rise to spark on striking, which give rise to light, indication of light, give rise to appearance or feeling of the presence of some particles. In absence of electric field and magnetic field, they travel in a straight line. In presence of electric field and magnetic field, cathode ray behave similar to electron. This is a very important point. In case of electric field and magnetic field, the deflection of these rays, that is cathode rays, are very similar to electron and does not depend upon the materials of electrode and nature of gases present in the discharge tube. So cathode rays or also electron does not depend upon the nature of gas. Next, E by M, charge to mass ratio of electron, was discovered by Thomson, and it have a magnitude value of 1.76 into 10 raised to power 11 coulomb per kg. Charge on electron, that we will discuss, already discussed. Charge on electron is minus 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb, was discovered by R.A. Millikan by the help of experiment. Very famous experiment is known as oil drop experiment. Next, discovery of proton by the help of the experiment known as modified cathode ray tube experiment. And proton rays is similar to canal rays. It is positively charged particles. It depends on the nature of gas, nature of substance. Charge to mass ratio also depend on the nature of gas. Behavior of these rays in electric field and magnetic field is opposite to cathode rays because these rays have opposite charge. Next discovery is the discovery of neutron given by James Chadwick by the help of experiment bombarding the alpha particles on the thin foil of beryllium. Next important term, atomic number. How can you define atomic number? It may be defined as the number of proton in nucleus that was discovered by Henry Moseley in 1930, and mass number is equal to number of proton plus number of neutron known as nucleon which are present in nucleus. After that, various models arise, that is known as models of atom. First very famous model is known as Thomson model of an atom given by J.J. Thomson, and he said that it watermelon model, also known as plum pudding model or raisin pudding model. According to him, there was uniformly positively charged sphere in which electrons are embedded. Second, Rutherford model of an atom also have important characteristics which give rise to further the discovery of nucleus and its drawback are it could not define the stability of an atom. After that, important term isotope are the same element having same atomic number but different mass number is known as isotopes. In case of isotopes, same element having same atomic number mean number of proton will be same but different mass number. For example, important isotope of hydrogen, protium, deuterium, tritium. In this case, all hydrogen have same atomic number 1, but their mass number are different due to difference in the number of neutron. Isobar is opposite to isotopes, atoms of different element having same mass number and different atomic number. For example, argon and calcium. In case of argon, mass number are same, that is 40, but atomic number are different. In case of argon, atomic number is 18 and mass number is 20. Species, isoelectronic species. Those species which have same number of electron known as isoelectronic species. For example, Na+, Mg+2, F negative ion, O2 negative ion, neon. All these species which are neutral as well as ionic have same number of electron, that is 10 electron. So all these are isoelectronic species.